happens when luxury touring meets cutting-edge tech on two wheels. You get the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive and motorcycle innovation. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT, a grand touring machine that's redefining what comfort and performance mean for long-distance riders. Design. The Gold Wing has always had presence, but the 2026 GCT takes it further. The sleek aerodynamic fairings have been subtly reshaped, and new LED lighting gives it a sharper, more modern edge. It's still unmistakably a Gold Wing, bold, smooth, and unmistakably premium, but now with an even more refined silhouette. Performance. Powering the GCT is Honda's iconic 1,833 cubic centimetre flat-six engine, tuned for even smoother delivery and better fuel efficiency. The big news: GCT stands for Gold Wing Continuously Variable Transmission. Honda's brand new CVT system designed for seamless power, no shift shock, and a ride that feels almost electric in its smoothness. Whether you're cruising the highway or climbing mountain roads, the ride is buttery smooth and endlessly confident. Features and tech. Inside the cockpit, Honda's brought the tech game up a notch. A new 10.5-inch touchscreen takes centre stage, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Voice control is smarter and faster, and the integrated rider assist tech includes adaptive cruise, blind spot alerts, and real-time tyre pressure monitoring. Add in upgraded speakers and seat comfort enhancements, and you've got a touring experience that rivals most cars. Conclusion: the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT blends timeless comfort with future-ready tech, and it's one of the smoothest, smartest touring bikes ever built. Thanks for tuning in to Next Gen Reviews. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a comment below, hit like, share it with your fellow riders, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.